guys, this is Chris from Avoid Performance, and today we're going to be doing a sound comparison between the KTM Duke 790 stock exhaust system and the Aero dual muffler system with like the whole thing, cat delete, and the headers and everything. In addition, we're also going to be comparing the Aero system with the DB killer installed and without it, so that you can make up your mind to see if this is the right exhaust system for you. So it's going to be a side-by-side comparison, so let's go watch that. Alright guys, so this first test is the Aero system with the DB killers installed. Here we go. Alright, so here we go. Let's compare it against the stock muffler. This is how it sounds like. So what we're gonna do now is remove the DB killers and crank it up without the DB killers. Here we go. Alright guys, so let's take it for a spin. So this next shot, I'm actually behind following the bike. So let's hear it. Let's see how it sounds. So one thing I did notice is that it actually sounds louder when you are riding the bike. So this is me riding the bike. Check it out.